Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel BharathEduTech. Today we are going to learn about how to split the screen or like how to have two screens at the same time in your laptop. This will come in handy like when you want to write the code and simultaneously want to check the local server, or like when you want to like watch the videos and like browse on the screen at the same time. So this will be really helpful. So let's get started. If you want this window to be on the left half of the screen or right half, all you have to do is just click the Windows key. And if you want it on the left half, just click the left arrow key, or on the right half, click the right arrow key. So now I'll click the left arrow key. So immediately you can see the window moving to the left half of the screen. And on the right hand side, you can see whichever screen, like whichever windows that are active. So I'll select the VS Code, so where I am writing the code. So immediately it will come and fit into the right half. So now you have two windows simultaneously on the screen at the same time. So suppose I change a code here, so you can see immediately it reflects on the other screen. So this will save like 2 to 3 seconds of your time, so which will really increase your productivity. So this is how you can split a screen in the windows. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.